Alright, I'm going to set up some sprite animation in Blender. It's kind of already set up. If I put some keyframes on here, check it out. I'm just going to hit play, and we got an object here. It's an empty, and I've been using it to control what you see. I'm basically using it to control the UV map, so you can kind of switch between these 6 different positions of a ninja running, but you don't really want to see the in-betweens. You don't want to see Blender interpolating between the keyframes. You don't want to see this linear motion switching between. We want stepped keyframes or hold keyframes. Okay, how do we do that? Well, we'll use the graph editor, and I'm currently looking at all these keyframes. Really the only 2 values I care about are X and Y location, so I'm just going to hide all the other graphs, and I'm only leaving X and Y location visible. Now, while my mouse is hovered inside the graph editor, I'll hit A to select all the keyframes. Use the letter T to get to your interpolation menu, or you could go to key interpolation mode. Okay, but I'm going to use the letter T and just choose constant. Okay, look at my graph, it's stepped. Looking at these stepped keyframes really should help you understand that as I move forward in time, there's no change. When you see a horizontal graph, it means there's no change, and then all of a sudden on frame 5, boom, switches to a different position. So I'm going to hit play, and all of these keyframes are stepped. Okay, there's the toggling through of all those different positions, and if I click on this overlays button, you can really just focus on the animation here. All right, try that on your own.